Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI desktop tutorial. So on today's lecture we are going to discuss column profile tools. So let's gonna go to Power Query Editor, and to do that I have to insert another data type. It's called this adventure work customer lookup. So all these data type I already provided to you in the second lecture. Please back to the lectures and check the data from there. It is the same menu, we see it over again when you upload the data, so click OK. And let's gonna do the same. First of all, we just rename, we have customer lookup, and then we have to check the data type. This is number, this is text, this is number, text is the date. So you have to make the data type is okay. After you check the data type is okay, so let's gonna go to columns of profiling tools. All the columns of profiling tools is located within the view bar. So we have first, this is column quality, is allowed to see if your data are valid or there is error or empty value within your columns. And when you hover with your mouse, you will see this contextual menu is appear. As we can see, this is 100% is valid, you have an error and empty 00. And that's all because we select only the 1000 rows, but if we can select all the rows, that you can change it from down column profile based on the entire dataset. So you will have all the rows within your columns. You can see now the customer key is updated. We have less than 1% the error. So first of all, you can do and remove that automatically. The Power Query Editor allows you to go for remove errors. When you click remove errors, you will see this remove errors coming here. And also we have empty data, less than 1%. You can also remove empty data automatically, and you will see the Power Query allow you to remove it from here. You can delete them and back to the original data, and if we right click within your mouse, another contextual menu will appear. You will have this keep errors. You can see why this errors is appear. For example, click on the customer key and we check the first error. So we see this is we couldn't convert to a number. Why we couldn't? Because there is 30 and the 3 dash. So the Power Query Editor, it didn't understand the 30 and 3 dash, so that's why it didn't convert it to a number. So close customer key, we back one step backward, and then we can back another backward. So Power Query Editor allow us to remove it automatically from here. When you hover with your mouse, you will see you can remove the empty from here automatically, or also we have another method. We can just right click with your mouse and remove empty and remove errors. So if you click in here, we have an error. So if you click in here remove errors, you will see the errors updated and the error now is 0%. And you can do the same, remove empty, you will see the customer key is updated and you have 0 empty data. You can do the same for all. This is empty data, just remove empty data and you'll have 0% in here. So we can do all that for all. And if you need to check the error, why you have this error, you can back one step backward and you can check why this error happened and keep errors and you fix them one by one. You can see this is also the same 30, and if you check another errors why this happened, so you have this another data type date cannot convert to a number. We also have columns distribution. Within the column distribution is allowed to see the distribution within your data. 667 distinct different value, and from these different value you have 89 unique value. That means you have 89 value is not repeated 2 times, only one value for each rows. From 1967. From here you can check also the distribution of your data, and also we have the column profile. If you click on column profile, allow you to see the column statistics. If we have to go to, we have the annual come, so you'll have more meaningful of the column statistics. You can see this is the minimum value and the maximum and the average, So this is how you can understand your data and clean your data perfectly within the Power Query editor. The columns profiling tools allow you to check your data and clean them perfectly before you start your reporting. So this is all you need to know in this lecture. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.